In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Nextdoor into your site in WordPress. Whether you're looking to enhance your website's community engagement or make it easier for visitors to connect with your Nextdoor presence, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire setup process. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a seamless integration that connects your WordPress site to your Nextdoor account. If you don't already have a WordPress account, you can use the link in the description to get started. Let's begin. First, navigate to the WordPress homepage. You can do this by typing www.wordpress.com into your browser. Once you're on the homepage, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click on the Login option. This will take you to the Sign In page. Next, you'll need to choose your preferred login method. If you want a quick and easy option, select the Continue with Google button to sign in using your Google account. Alternatively, you can manually log in using your WordPress credentials by entering your username and password. Either method works, so pick the one that's most convenient for you. If you're using the Google login option, make sure to select the Google account associated with your WordPress site. This step ensures you're accessing the correct account. Once you've logged in, you'll be taken to your WordPress dashboard. Look for the Quick Links section. It's typically located near the top of the page. In the Quick Links menu, click on the Edit Site option. This will open up the website editor, where you can make changes to your site. Now, if you manage multiple websites on WordPress, you'll see a list of all the websites you have access to. Go ahead and select the specific site where you want to integrate Nextdoor. Once you've chosen your site, the website editor will load and you're ready for the next step. In the editor, look to the top left corner of the screen. You'll notice a plus icon. Click on it. This will open the block search menu where you can find different elements or features to add to your site. In the search bar, type Nextdoor. After typing, you should see Nextdoor appear as one of the options in the search results. When it does, click on it to proceed. Now it's time to connect your Nextdoor account to your WordPress site. A field will appear prompting you to enter your unique Nextdoor URL. This is the web address associated with your Nextdoor profile or community page. Carefully type in your URL, ensuring there are no typos or errors, as this is what will link your site visitors to your Nextdoor page. Once you've entered the URL, click the Embed option. This step finalizes the connection between your WordPress site and your Nextdoor account. At this point, you should see a preview of the embedded Nextdoor content on your website editor. The final step is to save your changes. Look to the top right corner of the screen and click the Save button. This is a crucial step. It ensures that all the changes you've made, including the Nextdoor integration, are successfully applied to your site. Without saving, your modifications won't be live, so don't skip this part. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Nextdoor into your WordPress site. By following these steps, you've made it easier for your site visitors to connect with your Nextdoor community and enhanced your website's functionality. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.